this is my very first management related training in L&D, and every concept is new for me, and it was very useful and very much clearly explained. And the approach and the way of delivery you do is really, commendable, and this was very much useful for me. And the breakout sessions were very much useful, and everyone was supportive, and I can get very different perspectives, especially from the senior people like Gautam sir and others. So I have learned very new things in a different perspectives, and I hope this will be very much helpful for my career in upcoming days. So I thank everyone, and especially you, sir. It is a great pleasure having you as a faculty, sir, for us.